Is the Japanese yen about to flip the entire Forex board? The dollar has been slipping a little bit, but it hit our main support right here at 144.94 and bounced. If you're in Forex today, it's not a day to look away. Welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Let me fix my screen a little bit. If you like what you see, please smash the like button, hit subscribe, share my videos far and wide. I want to build a huge trading community. All right. Let's get into the technicals. Now, I know I always title this Sterling Yen because Sterling Yen is primarily what I trade, but you need to understand what's going on in the components to basically understand what's going on in the crosses. So right now, dollar yen is actually trading a bit higher with a little bit of strength. The level that it has to hold is this 145.45. I'm late to the party today for you guys. It's 10:26 in the morning. I got long at 145.51. I'm putting my stop at 145. I'm going to go right here, 145.25. So it should be able to hold that if it's going to attack that 146.18 upper level. I'm not, the yen has been fooling me quite a bit. I really didn't expect it to fall as deep as it did, but we did have this support right here. And in yesterday's video, I said we were drifting down to it. It took a long time. Market was very, very slow. I don't really expect it to change anytime soon. However, if we break that 146.18, we could see some quick velocity up to 146.64. A break of the 48 actually sends us back down into consolidation. That's why I got my stop at like 25.30, something like that. I'm going to be watching the market. Let's get on over to good old sterling dollar. This one. All right. That's dollar yen, dollar yen. I got so much dollar yen here. Where's sterling dollar? Here's sterling dollar. Okay, we told you we had, the important box right here. We came up right to our resistance level at 133.19. We scooted a little bit higher to like 133.32. If this market, if it breaks this low, now if dollar yen continues to rally, I expect it to break the bottom of the box at 132.60, and it's opening up its way to 132, the figure. Let me fix my screen again here. It's a mess. Let me move it over for you guys so you can see it better. So this is a critical price right here for cable, but you got to watch dollar yen. It's got to continue its rally because really sterling is, I think sterling is very weak against yen. So sterling yen, I've been saying it, I think it's going down. It did hit a critical price at 193, the figure, and kind of bounced off of it a little bit, but it hasn't really shown any type of real strength. It's just a natural rally phase of, I think, a downward moving cross. Now, I'm not saying it's going back down to 187 right away. I think that we got to take our time and, little bits and pieces with it. So right now, let's see, we went down to what, 132, what, 50? Man. All right. So the main resistance is really, look at this. High bars close. 133.50 is the main resistance in sterling dollar. Okay. So really what this thing is doing, I hate keep saying basically. It sounds like stupid. But I'm trying to just express my thoughts as best as I can. Right now we're trading in between these two prices. All right. And a break of this, I believe, sends down to 132, the figure. Let's get over to the star of the show, sterling yen. Okay. Had main support at 192.67. All righty. So we bounced down to like 193, the figure, 193.04 in this chart. The only way this thing shows any type of strength right now is if it gets above 194. I'm gonna use the 194.14. It's the only way. It is right now consolidating between. It's in this jam up right here. If we can't get through this level, which we have another resistance at 192.43, I believe that we're going to try to attack that low at 162. 193.70. Now we had the low at 193, the figure, kind of 193.05 or whatever it was, but I think that's where it's going. Let's go over to good old euro yen. This one was holding up pretty well. It still is. It's hanging out between the channel. We had a potential support point right here at 162.44. We hit it. Yeah, it's coming up to an upper resistance level at 163.20. Right now, it's got a hold on the day. I'm going to go like 160. It has to hold this level. If it breaks through this level, this thing's turning down to like 162, the figure. So it has to hold this level. It needs to break 162.23. We could potentially trade up to 163.50. Main resistance on the 1 hour chart is sitting up at 163.90. So if you didn't buy it, on the dip to the 162.43, it's kind of tough buy right now. However, dollar yen is rallying a little bit, so maybe it does have the potential to break that 163.20, head up to 163.60. I don't have a clear path in this right now. I just know that it has to hold the 42. Now, if you're a longer term trader, you may buy this with the stop below, like 162, say 40, and look for the breakout back up towards 164.86. That's up to you. I mean, I'm a short-term trader. I try to time my trades so that I get in at the best possible price. I try to find the line of least resistance every day, and up here is not the line of least resistance. So that's what I got going on for you guys. Please, if you like what you see, leave some comments below. Tell me how you're trading these pairs. Head over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook. And thank God it's Friday. I may call it an early day because I'd like to get outside today in the sunshine and get myself a nice margarita, maybe a strawberry margarita. Yeah, that would be good. Strawberry margarita, maybe some coconut shrimp. That would be awesome for the afternoon. So I'll see you on Monday. Actually, I'll see you on Sunday for the update. And remember, always, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.